Okay, so there's 1,000,001 videos on YouTube about planting pineapple tops, the crown of a pineapple, to grow it into a pineapple plant. So this is not a how-to video, but it is a video showing that you can have a food-growing plant that can have a much more ornamental look. Yeah, it's not going to be as productive and prolific as say some beans or squash or something, but once I get this guy in the ground here, that's gonna look like just any other sort of low ground cover. It's gonna add to the landscape rather than just making it look like it's a food garden. So you can certainly do both. This here is the youngest one. That's number 4. This here is the oldest one. That's number 1. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4. I want to say I planted them. I thought it was 6 weeks apart, but the math doesn't quite add up there. Because that would have mean these were planted over 6 months when they were. So it must have been 3 weeks apart. This one was probably late June. This one would have been then the end of July, and then that would have been maybe late August, and then middle September. That sounds about right. 3 weeks apart. This one here, it's been in a pot long enough that the leaves are starting to get some paler color, so I don't want to fertilize it right before it gets cold, but maybe first thing in the spring I'll give it some fertilization. And after we're done having any freezes this winter, they're going in the ground. But their first year, I thought I'll keep them in pots to bring them inside while they're still manageable, but certainly want to get them in the ground before they get too old. So those are my pineapple plants. We're gonna have fruit-bearing plants that look ornamental. And frankly, I think when a pineapple plant gets a pineapple on it, it looks even cooler. Their flowers are really beautiful also. So I'll share some updates with y'all on this as it goes along, but the updates will not be short between them. Might be a year before we have another decent update. Thanks for watching. You all know the drill. Do the internet video thing. Hit like, hit subscribe, click the little bell down there for notifications. It helps algorithms do things on computers that are whirring and buzzing, connecting through satellites in space. So do all those things. Thanks for watching. Bye.